Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Awesome Brothers.
Okay, my name is Siddharth.
And my name is Karthik. So as we told in the last video, we are going to do some craft work like origami.
Okay, I am doing paper transforming ninja star.
And I am going to do a paper realistic rose.
So let's get started.
Okay, now let's see how to make the paper realistic rose. It is done by me, Karthik. Okay, for this craft you need an A4 sheet, a gum bottle, but don't use strong glue. Okay, a scissors and a paintbrush. You can use a toothpick instead of this because this is used for doing curly. Okay, now let's start. Okay, for this craft you have to cut 3 equal squares from this A4 sheet paper. Okay, I have cut 3 equal squares from an A4 sheet paper and the size of one square is 10 into 10 centimeters. Okay, you have to cut like this 3 equal, and after that, okay, now you have to take one square sheet and you have to fold like this and again like this. Okay, now again like this. Okay, after doing like this, you have to take a pencil and draw a semicircle. Okay, draw a semicircle on this paper. Okay, then cut this part. Okay, see, then open. Okay, put it aside, but see, you have to do this in both these papers also. Okay, see, I have made these 3 paper cuttings. Okay, now I will take one this paper cutting and cuttings. Okay, one petal. Okay, cut carefully. Okay, see, I have cut one paper petal. Now keep this aside, then take another paper and now cut 2 petals. Cut 2 petals. See, now I have cut 2 petals from this. Okay, now keep this aside again and take the third one. Now cut 3 petals. Okay, okay, see, now I have cut 3 petals from this. Now take all these. Okay, now take the first paper cut and take the glue and do like this. Okay, glue on the last petal of this and stick it. Okay, now keep it aside. and take this. Okay, do the following for these two petals. Okay, see, I have stick these petals, and now you should take these. Okay, and you have to glue these papers also. Okay, see, you have to glue not in the whole petal, only on the edge. Okay, lightly on the edge, and do like this. See, okay, in this process you have to do these two also. Okay, you have to do like this. Okay, now take all these paper cuts and first take one and take the paintbrush edge, and you have to do like this. You have to do the petals curlier. Okay, see, like this you have to do with all the petals. See, I have made curlier all the petals. In this process you have to do curlier all these paper cuts. Okay, see, now I have made the curly for these three big petals. For these small petals you have to do very carefully. Okay, and for this last small petal you can do curlier or not, that's your wish. It is not very necessary. Okay, see, do very carefully, slowly and very carefully. Okay, see, I have done curly for these two small petals, and for these it is not necessary. Okay, after doing this curlier all this, you have to put one on another like this, but you have to glue this. Okay, okay, see, I have glued it. Okay, now in the same way you have to glue all this. Okay, glue one on another and it will be like this. See, our rose is completed. If you want, you can make a roll of paper and you can attach it to its end. Okay, see.
Now, let's see how to make that paper transforming ninja star. Okay, and I am Siddharth doing this craft. Okay, all we need is just take color paper, cut into 9 into 9 centimeters, 4, all 4 papers, cut into 4 equal squares, 9 into 9 centimeters. Okay, now first take one square paper and then first fold it like this. Then open. Now fold it. Now fold it like this. And then now do like this. And then last and finally like this. Now do like this. And these two. It looks like a house. And then fold it like this. Now you can see here line is there. Now do like this. Okay, it becomes like this. Now make like this all papers. Okay, now did this all, see. Okay, now you have to do is first, see, here in the open place put this. It should be back open place, and then put it in the middle. And now what you have to do is fold this and then put it inside this, and then same here, and then put it inside this. Now see, like this you have to do with all these. Okay, it's finished. Now taking this, let's see, it's over. Now taking this, and then okay, see, it's finished now. Now next, see, it's finished. Now again take, do not glue it, remember, do not glue it. Okay, now okay, now it's also finished. This all finished. Now what we have to do with the last one is, see, bag is open, so front side put here, and now bend it, put it inside, same here, and then put it inside. Now see, put it here inside this, put it inside. Now see here, you have to put it inside like this, see. Now I'm putting this here inside. Now it is finished, see. Now it's in the bed. Hey! It's finished. It. First, show your friends like this. It is ninja blade. Then they will tell, no, it's not a ninja blade. And then,
Okay, thanks for watching our video.
Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.
Don't forget to give your comment. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.